Hi guys, this is Shobhit. So guys, in this video I will talk about circuit breaker pattern. I'm using .NET Core. So so let's start. Basically, what is circuit breaker pattern? So in a distributed environment and microservice architecture, we have to call some remote resources, some services, right? It might fail because of some reason, because of some slow network or maybe some latency, and we will get timeout. So in that case, we can simply use the retry pattern, but there may be a situation where faults are due to unanticipated events that might take longer time to fix. So in this situation, it might be pointless for an application to calling again and again because it unlikely to be succeed, right? So in that case we can use this circuit breaker pattern. So you can write your own logic, but with the help of NuGet package you can easily implement this logic on your application. So let me quickly go to my web application, very simple web application, so that you can understand correctly. So this is the very simple basic application. This is a controller. I have the weather forecast controller. Inside this, I have this get method. And inside this get method, basically, I'm trying to call an API, and this API is actually not present, right? So it will fail eventually. So I'm calling this API and expecting the result, and it will return the result to the client. So this API is not basically exist, so it eventually fail. So what I did, I implemented the circuit breaker pattern for that API. So first I have to install the NuGet package manager, and after that we have to add this line in the configuration service method of your startup class. So we have to introduce this line. So first we have to specify that, okay, in which HTTP client, in which services you want. So I have added the HTTP client. So this is the URI of my service. I want to circuit breaker pattern on that specific URI. So the way in which we can do is there is a method of add transient HTTP error policy. It will basically ask for a circuit breaker async method. Inside this method there is two parameter. The first parameter is how many retry you want, and if retrials not succeed, then how much time you have to block for that call. So here you can see I have retry for 2 times. If this will not succeed for the 2 times, this will block my call for 30 seconds. So eventually I am not able to call this API for 30 seconds after two failures, right? So let me quickly demonstrate this. Run this. This is already up and running. So for the demonstration purpose, I can show with the help of the Fiddler. So Fiddler is also up and running on my machine. And let me quickly open the browser so that we can see the output. Okay, so here you can see it is failing. Eventually it is failing, right? And I try it again. When I try it again, so you can see there is a call of API values call, and it is failing, right? So this is the first call, and here I'm try it again. So when I try it again, you can see this call is not going, you know because first call is going when we execute this program, second call is going at the time of again, and another weather forecast call. So there is no API values call is invoking at that point of time. It is not invoking because two retry is failed already. So and further it will block my call for 30 seconds, right? So here you can see again, whenever my 30-second executed, it again invoke my call. So here you can see this is failing. Within the 30-second I tried again. So again no API call is there. I'll try it again. So again we will see not API call, not this API values call, right? It's failure, right? So once we completed the 30-second, again we will see this API values call. So let's wait for some time. After 30 seconds I'll try it again, and here we will see the API calls of the failure API call. So let's wait some time. I think might be 30 second would be over. So let me try it again. So here you can see this is a API values failure call, right? If I try it again, I will not see any API. This is only weather forecast call. No API call is there. Okay. So guys, in this way, we can implement uh, this circuit breaker pattern in our .NET application with the help of NuGet package. So guys, if you have any question, comments, you can put into the comments. And if you have anything specific, you can write an email to me. Thank you so much for your time.